This is a 2022 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. This is one of Harley Davidson's premier touring bikes. This bike is made for the open road. The color of this like new 22 Ultra Limited is vivid black. Now this is another super low mileage bike. It has 1,218 original miles on the odometer, so it's not even remotely broke in. The 1,000-mile service has been completed, and it is ready for the highway, ready for your next road trip. Now, being the Ultra Limited model, it comes with the 114 cubic inch engine, which is the MILWAUKEE 8, so it has a lot of horsepower, a lot of torque. Just a great combination for a touring bike. 6-speed overdrive transmission. Big 6-gallon fuel tank, so you have a lot of range with this bike. Comes standard with heated grips. It has the new GTS boom stereo system, which is GPS navigation, AM, FM, weather band. You can Bluetooth your music from your phone or your iPod into the system, or you can put it in this compartment right here and it will integrate it into the system and then charge it at the same time. Now this Ultra Limited has the RDRS system, which has several different ABS configurations: traction control, cornering ABS, hill start assist, tire pressure monitor. The hill start assist is really a handy feature. You have to stop on a hill and you've got you and your passenger and all your gear, instead of having your feet down and clutch pulled in, holding onto the brake, giving it the gas, trying to get started without stalling it. The bike will actually hold itself until you release the clutch and give it the gas and go. Comes in real handy. Of course, it has the security system with the key fob, cruise control. Now this bike is in stock configuration. The only accessory that has been added to it are the Harley Davidson's highway pegs. The exhaust is stock, so this bike is ready for you to make it your own, or just leave it alone and ride the tires off of it. Nice LED lighting on the rear end of this bike, on the TourPak and the tail light. Gives you a lot of visibility from the rear. In the front it has the LED headlight, LED driving lights, so people can see you coming. Nice big luggage rack. You can haul a lot of gear on this bike and do it safely and comfortably. Nice big back seat with a big backrest for your passenger. Speakers in the front, speakers in the rear. It is set up for intercom. This bike is in like new condition. Nice contrast cut wheels. Well, if you're looking for a touring bike, this bike gets the job done. Comfort, safety features, plenty of power. You could hop on this bike today and head to Seattle tomorrow and get there in comfort. Or wherever you want to go on your next road trip. is a great long distance bike. There's the mileage on it, 1,200. And we get it to the right spot here. 1,218 original miles. If you're in the market for a new touring bike, don't get stuck paying MSRP and the touring bike surcharge and the dock fees and the setup fees and the freight fees and all the other mystery fees. Give Will a call at Dream Cycles USA. Get an honest, out-the-door price that has absolutely zero fees. For information on how to put this like new super low mileage ultra limited in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.